A natterhead is sure to get me at least noticed. Gronkles are tough. Taking down one of those would definitely get me a girlfriend. A zippleback? Exotic. 2 heads, twice the status.
They found the sheep!
Concentrate fire over the lower bank!
Hurry up! Fire!
And then there's the monstrous nightmare. Only the best Vikings go after those. They have this nasty habit of setting themselves on fire.
Reload! I'll take care of this.
But the ultimate prize is the dragon no one's ever seen. We call it the
Night Fury!
Get down! Jump!
A natterhead is sure to get me at least noticed. Gronkles are tough. Taking down one of those would definitely get me a girlfriend. A zippleback? Exotic. 2 heads, twice the status.
They found the sheep!
Concentrate fire over the lower bank!
Hurry up! Fire!
And then there's the monstrous nightmare. Only the best Vikings go after those. They have this nasty habit of setting themselves on fire.
Reload! I'll take care of this.
But the ultimate prize is the dragon no one's ever seen. We call it the
Night Fury! Get down!
Certain kinds of sounds, like the fire breathing and some of the flybys, have quite noticeable pitch change element to them. I shouldn't say this because it's giving away trade secrets, and some of you are probably going to take my job next week, but I'll say it anyway. In a sequence like that, that's very loud, and as a sound designer, sound effects editor, you're struggling to make a particular sound audible that's competing with lots of other sounds. One of the principal tricks is to choose a sound or fabricate a sound that changes in pitch over time. So in the case of a flyby, it goes phew. The magic thing about something that changes in pitch is that it grabs the human ear. It's not just a steady state noise, and it forces you to pay attention to it. So in addition to simply lowering all the competing sounds, which is another option, and of course we wind up doing that to some degree also, this pitch change option helps us enormously.